Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. From the title of this video, you already know that I'm about to unbox some hair and skincare things that I got. I got this stuff last year, but it took a while to get to me, but they're finally here. And yeah guys, I'm just going to show you guys all the good stuff that I got. I'm really excited to use this product. But before we get to unboxing, guys, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Onyinye and I create beauty and lifestyle videos here on my channel. So just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. You would love to be a part of this family, and hit the bell as well so that you get notifications whenever I upload videos. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. I love and appreciate every single one of you. Now let's just get right into the video. So I'm going to be starting with the hair products because it's the bigger package. Yeah, so I got like a kit thing from Tasala. They're very popular natural hair stylist salon hair products brand in Nigeria. So yeah, I got a set. I think it was their rejuvenating set. So I'm just going to open it and show you guys what's inside. And everything costs about 31,000 plus minus delivery. So yeah, I'm not sure what the exact price is, but you can always check out their website. That was where I ordered from, so you can check them out. They're on Instagram as well. I don't know if they take orders on Instagram, I doubt, but the response to messages on Instagram and WhatsApp and calls. So yeah, they have a good customer service, so you can reach out to them. But I ordered on the website and it got delivered to me. So the whole content of the box just spilled, so I can't really show you guys what it looks like inside the box. Oh, and they really packaged it well. It had like nice branded paper and stuff, but that's a whole mess now, so we are just going to get into the product. I really messed up this unboxing. I really wanted to get the whole packaging experience, you know, when your goods come in nice stuff, you just want to open it and feel the whole newness. But it's good, guys. So there's a note that has all of their brand product and stuff, and it has a thank you message behind. The note reads, "Thank you for your purchase and support of our business. We hope you love your product. Please leave us a feedback or review on our website if you do. We look forward to serving you again in the future. Love from Tasala. XOXO. We are on social blah blah blah." Then their social media handles. So there are about 6 products in the sets that I got, and I think this too, I don't remember seeing this in the picture online. So I think these were complimentary. They were also giving out this bands for free, so I added that to my cart. It didn't cost anything, so I just added that to my cart. This is actually a really nice gesture for them to add like complimentary stuff, and the size is quite usable, so it's really nice. Now to the actual things that were in the set that I got. I'm going to be starting with this one because it's the biggest one. It's the Detangle conditioner. It's supposed to detangle, moisturize and smoothen your hair, which I really need. My hair is a mess these days. If you watch my last video, you know that I said I've been wearing my hair out a lot, so if you look at it, the ends are a mess, like they always get tangled and stuff. So I really needed this, and I think this is a new product for them as well. They launched it late last year, I think, and at the time when I bought this kit, the whole thing was on sale. They had a discount going on, so I just purchased it quickly. The next product is the Shea Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. Yeah, so it's probably just a leave-in conditioner. I don't know if I would do a review of this product when I use them. I hope I do. I'll tell you guys if I liked the product or not, or the ones I like or the ones I do not like. You know, you get the whole vibe of reviews. Yeah, so I'll probably do a review when I've used it for a month or two. Yeah, so I hope I get to do that video. So the next product is the aloe detangling shampoo. Yeah, that's it. And then there is the restore conditioner. This is what it looks like. And then there is the shea mango hair butter. Also included in the set is this cell energy stimulating oil. I'll be using this mostly for my scalp, not my hair. I think that's the reason why I got this, and I think it's suitable for your scalp as well. Yeah. So that's it. It's basically like a complete hair set that I plan to use for my hair. I'm hoping that I pay more attention to my hair this year because you know the girl has been slacking with hair care. But I hope that I get to take care of my hair a lot more this year. Then for the complimentary stuff that I got, this one is the restore conditioner, the same as the bigger size that I got. So I think it's probably, it's not a test for a different product, so it's the same one that I got. And then the leave-in conditioner as well, so they gave a small complimentary package for it. Yeah, so that's it for all of the hair products that I got. If I like it, like I said, I'll do a review and you guys will get to know more about it. Then moving on to skincare, I got like a few things. I don't have very bad skin. In fact, I don't have bad skin. I don't have any hormonal or genetic skin issues, so I'm not looking to treat anything. I used to have like discoloration, like my face used to be a lot darker than my neck, like my other half, but I started using sunscreen about 2-3 years ago, and vitamin C serum, and that has helped to like even up my skin tone. So apart from those things which I don't even use very regularly, I don't have any sort of skincare routine or anything. It's just been the grace of God. I'm joking. Yeah, but you guys get the gist. I don't really have any routine skincare anything, but I want to start building like a basic skincare routine, just to like maintain my skin in such a way that I don't age badly. Yeah, so I decided to start like with a basic skincare. I don't know if I should call it kit. This doesn't even qualify as a kit, because I got just 3 products, and the 3 products were from the same brand, Acen Beauty. I don't know if that's how it's pronounced, but yeah, Acen Beauty, and they are a Nigerian brand. I'm hoping they are not organic. I don't think they are, because I don't trust all these Nigerian organic brands and their mixtures. Yeah, but I don't think they are organic. They are like a skincare brand, a small business in Nigeria, and I just decided to try some of their products. So I got the Rose Gel Anti-Acne Daily Cleanser. This thing is not clear. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. So I got the cleanser. Then I also got a toner from them as well. This is the rebalancing toner serum. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. I'm really hoping that I love this product, because I actually don't like to switch up things a lot. If I see something that works for me, I'll stick with it for as long as possible. Yeah, so I'm hoping that I like all of these things that I got. Next thing I got is their face oil. I don't know how to pronounce some of the words on it, but this is what it looks like. So aside from my vitamin C oil and sunscreen, which I still have and use, I just got something to wash my face, tone, and sort of like moisturize. Yeah, so that's it, guys. That's all of the product that I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I don't know the kind of questions that you guys will have, but if you do have any, let me know in the comment section. I'll try to answer. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It's free. You're not going to lose anything from subscribing, so please subscribe. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.